At least 116 people have been killed during a stampede at a satsang in Uttar Pradesh's Hathras on Tuesday. Among the dead, sadly, are several women and children. The dead were taken to hospitals in both Hathras and the neighbouring district of Etah. Senior officials have confirmed that as many as 116 people have died and 18 remain injured. 27 of these were reported from Etah district. Many people have also been injured and they are recovering is what we hear. The incident occurred during a satsang, a prayer meeting organized by a religious leader named Narayan Sarkar in Sikandrao area of Hathras in Uttar Pradesh. It was reportedly attended by 10,000 people, mostly women. Condoling the loss of lives in Lok Sabha, Prime Minister Narendra Modi said the victims of this tragic incident, Hathras stampede, will be provided with all help. In fact, Home Minister Amit Shah has already spoken to Yogi Adityanath, the Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh. The UP state government has announced a compensation of rupees 2 lakh for the next of kin of those killed and 50,000 for those injured in this stampede. Now, taking note of the accident, Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath has formed a high-level committee to investigate the cause. He added that instructions have been given to concerned officials to conduct relief and rescue operations on a war footing and to also provide proper treatment to the injured. The Chief Minister has also asked Ministers Lakshmi Narayan Chaudhary and Sandeep Singh to visit the spot immediately. He has also directed Chief Secretary and DGP of the state to reach the incident site. Now, opposition leaders, of course, have blamed the state administration for the incident. Police have indicated that overcrowding may have been a factor that could have led to the stampede. Initial reports suggest that over 15,000 people had gathered for the event, which had permission to host just about 5,000 people. But of course, we will have to wait for the investigation to unravel what really happened in Hathras. Let's look at some political reactions before we go to our reporters.
भगदड़ ऐसे बची थी कि मतलब रोड पे तो जो काफी लोग खड़े थे वो वहाँ से भीड़ लोग हटे नहीं थे वहाँ से। जो संगत छूटने के बाद सारी संगत मतलब वहाँ से छूटी और छूटने के बाद तुरंत ही मतलब भीड़ जुड़ गई और मतलब आपस में झक्का मारा, वहाँ तार टूटा। तार टूटने के बाद काफी लोग घायल हो गए।
अच्छा, बिजली का तार टूटा?
हाँ जी।
आज एक सत्संग था, उसमें जब बताया जा रहा है, संज्ञान में आया है कि जब भगदड़ मची है तो भगदड़ में एक दूसरे के ऊपर गिरते चले गए, किसी ने सोचा नहीं है और उसमें उन लोगों की मृत्यु हो गई है, जिसमें 28 या 27 डेड बॉडी हमारे एटे में रखी हुई है। बाकी डेड बॉडी बता रहे कासगंज में है, कुछ हाथरस में है।
कुल कितनी मौत हुई?
लगभग संज्ञान में 150-200 की समथिंग है।
ये सारा मेरा ही परिवार था
जी,
ये मेरा ही परिवार था और जहाँ हरिजी के पास जाते थे ये सब,
हरिजो विश्वरी
नारायण सागर हरिजी के पास, और वो खुले मंच थे, खुले सिंहासन से कहते थे कि यहाँ बच्चों को लाने की जरूरत नहीं है, यहाँ बुजुर्गों को लाने की जरूरत नहीं है, यहाँ बीमारों को लाने की जरूरत नहीं है।
कैसे मौत हुई है? ये
मौत
भगदड़
हो गई
जी।
और जब हम बच्चों को लेके जाते हैं ना तो बच्चों की हमारी जिम्मेदारी है। अगर हमारा बेटा
मृतक के परिजन को 2-2 लाख रुपए की और गंभीर रूप से घायल परिवारों की, नागरिकों के लिए भी 50-50 हजार रुपए की सहायता की घोषणा की है। राज्य सरकार इस पूरी घटना की तह में जाएगा। यह हादसा है या साजिश, यह भी हम इसकी तह में जाकर के इसको देखेंगे। इस प्रकार की घटना पर पीड़ितों के प्रति संवेदना व्यक्त करने की बजाय राजनीति करना यह अत्यंत दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण है और निंदनीय भी।
जो लोग इस पे कुछ राजनीतिक दल इस पे राजनीति भी कर रहे हैं, इसको गलत बता रहे हैं, आपको लगता है कि इस तरीके की घटना जब होती है तो राजनीति करने की बजाय सरकार
देखिए ये समय पीड़ितों के घावों पर मलहम लगाने का है, पीड़ितों के प्रति संवेदना का है। सरकार इस मामले में पहले से संवेदनशील है और सरकार इस मामले की तह में जाकर के साजिशकर्ताओं को भी और इस घटना के जिम्मेदार जो हैं उनको भी उचित सजा देगी।
कुछ घायल भी हैं जिनका इलाज चल रहा है। पोस्टमार्टम के लिए अलग अलग जगह पर डेड बॉडी भेजी गई है।
और प्रयास यही है कि जो घायल हैं उनका अच्छे से अच्छा जल्दी से जल्दी इलाज कराएं। इसमें कोई एफआईआर भी दर्ज हुई है? एफआईआर दर्ज हो रही है। जो आयोजक हैं जिन्होंने परमिशन ली है उनके विरुद्ध एफआईआर होगी, इन द सेंस कि जितने की परमिशन मांगी उससे ज़्यादा लोग आए हैं, ऐसी प्रथम दृष्टिया चीज़ें निकल के आई हैं। और क्योंकि ये जाँच का विषय है, इसमें एक हाई लेवल इंक्वायरी ऑर्डर कर दी गई है और जैसे जाँच में और चीज़ें आएंगे आपको अपडेट।
यूपी के हाथरस में जो भगदड़ हुई उसमें अनेकों लोगों की दुखद मृत्यु होने की जानकारी आ रही है। जिन लोगों की इस हादसे में जान गई है, मैं उनके प्रति अपनी संवेदना व्यक्त करता हूं। मैं सभी घायलों के जल्द से जल्द ठीक होने की कामना करता हूं। राज्य सरकार की देखरेख में प्रशासन राहत और बचाव कार्य में जुटा हुआ है। केंद्र सरकार के वरिष्ठ उत्तर प्रदेश सरकार के लगातार संपर्क में है। मैं इस सदन के माध्यम से सभी को यह भरोसा देता हूं कि पीड़ितों की हर तरह से मदद की जाएगी।
हाथरस में बड़ी ट्रेजेडी हुई है। मैं सबको कंडोलेंसेस देता हूँ। बहुत दुख का समय है। सरकार को लोगों की मदद करनी चाहिए सेंसिटिवली, और सब परिवारों को जिन्होंने किसी को खोया मैं कंडोलेंसेस।
हम लोग सदन में थे उस समय जानकारी मिली कि इस तरह का हादसा हुआ है। सवाल ये कि इतने बड़े पैमाने पे इतने लोगों की जान जाना, आखिरकार सरकार क्या कर रही थी, और सरकार की जानकारी में होने के बाद भी इतनी बड़ी घटना हो जाए, बहुत दुखद है। सरकार की जिम्मेदारी बनती है कि अगर किसी आयोजन में इतने लोग इकट्ठे हो रहे हैं या इतने लोग आने वाले हैं, तो आखिरकार उनकी सुरक्षा, उनकी व्यवस्था के लिए सरकार ने क्या किया, ये सबसे बड़ा प्रश्न लगता है।
I have my colleague Tanish joining us with more details on the story. Tanish, horrible tragedy there. What are the details that we have specifically with regard to the casualties, and also how many people are injured? And also tell us, what led to the stampede, and especially who is this godman who had organized this satsang?
Well, Vasudha, first, the unfortunate death toll is now 116 as confirmed by authorities. Around 116 people have died. The number has been officially confirmed, and around 18 are injured whose treatment is going on. So when the religious gathering, the satsang took place in Hathras, near the border of Hathras, and the stampede-like situation was created. The stampede-like situation was towards the end of the satsang when the devotees were actually leaving. Now, of course, after that, a stampede took place. Many people died, around 116, and most of them were women who were present in the satsang. In Etah, around 27 dead bodies were taken to Etah, out of which 23 were women. So that, of course, tells us that the number of devotees that attended, it was a lot of female devotees attended the religious gathering that took place. Now, as far as the investigation is concerned, a team has been constituted under ADG Zone Agra and Aligarh Divisional Commissioner. Preliminary investigation is going on to ascertain the cause of the stampede. The UP government has instructed to file FIR against the organizers of the event. Chief Secretary and the DG of Uttar Pradesh will be reaching Hathras any moment. Now. But of course, talking about the permission of the event, authorities have clearly said that the permission was given by the SDM. The event was held with due permission. But the question here is, permission for how many people was given, and how many people did actually attend the event? Because as we see from the visuals, Thousands and thousands of people attended the event, and the question is, how many people were actually allowed in the event? Now, around 70 police personnel were deployed for the crowd management, out of which 40 were present. 40 had to be present on the spot itself. But according to the officials, the crowd management inside the spot of the satsang, inside the area of satsang, the organizers were responsible. The organizers were responsible for that. So of course, UP government has instructed FIR to be lodged. A team has been constituted to ascertain the causes of this. Chief Secretary and the DG of Uttar Pradesh will be reaching anytime soon. The death toll right now is around 116, and it is still expected to go high. So, very unfortunate incident. Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath has announced an ex gratia of around 2 lakh rupees per victim for the kin of the victims, and for 2 lakh rupees to the kin of the victims, and the same has been announced by Prime Minister Narendra Modi as well.
Right.
Around 50,000 to those injured in this tragedy. Yes.
Right. Tanishq, also tell us about this Bhole Baba or Narayan Sarkar. Who is this Baba? Who is this Godman? Because clearly I was looking at some pictures on Facebook, and people from different states, specifically from Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, seem to be flocking for this event. And this was held in some village in Hathras. Also tell us where was this held, and what was the scale of this event, and who is this person who sort of is responsible for organizing this satsang?
Yes, so the event was held near the Sikandra Rao, inside the Hathras. It's towards the border area of Hathras. That's where this event was held. Talking about this Baba, this Godman. So again, this is not confirmed. This has been claimed by the Baba himself that he used to work. He was a government employee. He was a government employee until 1990, and after that he moved towards spirituality. But again, I would like to say that this has not been confirmed. This was claimed by Baba himself earlier. Now, this Baba has a lot of influence over the western part of Uttar Pradesh.